DEGEN Coin is making headlines again, and this time, a big move could be coming in May 2025. If you're seeing the hype and wondering what's real and what's noise, stay tuned. We're breaking down exactly what's driving the momentum behind DEGEN and whether this is just another pump or the start of something bigger. So, what exactly is DEGEN Coin? It's part of a new wave of high-risk, high-reward crypto tokens tied to what's called DEGEN culture, short for degenerate. In crypto slang, it refers to wild, high-stakes trades with little regard for risk. But DEGEN Coin is not just a meme. The project is aiming to build an actual ecosystem with DeFi utilities, staking rewards, and gamified tokenomics. It's made for thrill-seeking traders, but it's not all chaos. There's structure behind the madness. Here's what's fueling the current hype. First, DEGEN Coin is now running on its own Layer 2 chain called DEGEN Chain. It offers lightning-fast, low-fee transactions, perfect for micro-trading and launching meme tokens. Second, staking pools are live. You can now stake your DEGEN tokens and earn APYs up to 85%. Yes, rewards are high, but like all staking, they come with risk. Third, the recent burn announcement caused a 120% pump earlier this month. Even though there's been a pullback, market interest is still strong. Right now, DEGEN Coin is trading around 2.1 cents, with a market cap near $22 million. Trading volume has been volatile, which shows the market is reacting fast to news and updates. It's currently listed on several mid-tier exchanges and gaining traction on decentralized platforms like Uniswap and DegenSwap. Now let's talk price prediction. Based on the current momentum, upcoming updates, and token burns, DEGEN Coin could potentially reach between 0.0008 and 0.0001 by late 2025. That would be about a 4x to 5x return from today's level. The bullish case is 0.00001. The bearish case is 0.0000009. Most likely, it could hover around 0.00007 if steady progress continues. There are also more updates coming that could push the price higher, including the DEGEN NFT marketplace, multi-chain support, and possible listings on centralized exchanges. DEGEN Coin is right in the middle of meme coin hype and actual use case. It's risky, but it's holding strong for now. As always, do your own research and never invest more than you can afford to lose. Are you buying, holding, or passing on DEGEN Coin? Drop your thoughts in the comments. Like the video if this helped you, and subscribe for more crypto news and updates.